क्या आप लोग भी सुपर बोर्ड हो फ्रॉम ऑल दिस अनबिलीवेबल शिट हैपनिंग अराउंड एंड यू आर थिंकिंग कि भाई कब ये आओ बहन चुगली करे कार्यक्रम बंद हो? बिकॉज आई एम फीलिंग द सेम, सो आई थॉट कि यार आई नीड टू डिटॉक्सिफाई माई सेल्फ. So what was the best thing to do? Let's go to a toxic place, internet. Bhai, I was really lucky this time because I got to witness two really good movies and I thought let's talk to you about it because they made me smile and made my heart beat. So let's go. Number one, The Mehta Boys. बड़े होते हुए आई ऑलवेज फेल्ट कि डिफरेंशिएशन और इंटीग्रेशन से मुश्किल चीज कुछ नहीं लाइफ में. बट लेटर वी ऑल रियलाइज कि वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट येट कॉम्प्लेक्स थिंग्स is the relationship between an Indian father and his son. And this story exactly revolves around this point. It's a story about a 71-year-old man who just lost his wife. And अब उनको जाके रहना है with his daughter, who basically will be living in America forever. But due to some situation, he gets stuck with his son, जिनके साथ उनके मेल मिलाप थोड़े ठीक नहीं है. It's a very ill-fated relationship. And the way the story progresses, it's very beautiful. ठीक है. Boman Irani, who is actually the director, the writer as well as the producer of the movie, he plays the role of the father. और by God उन्होंने जो role play किया ना यार, मतलब he basically represented almost an average Indian middle class father who is very grumpy. बच्चे को प्यार भी करता है, at the same time थोड़ा डर भी है. At the same time he wants to feel respected that he's still the man of the house. He still cares. He still ये सारी चीजें इतना beautiful उन्होंने play किया है ना कि it can relate to I guess all the people, especially all the sons who have never hugged their father. And Avinash Tiwari, who plays the role of the son, he has done a great job. उन्होंने भी बहुत अच्छा काम किया है as the son, who always wanted to feel validated, who always wanted his father's respect, but because of differences and opinions, कभी थोड़ा match up नहीं हुआ, and he still loves him, but in a very weird way. At the same time, he's still dealing with his own career problems. सो ये स्टोरी बहुत अच्छी है, सिंपल है. इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल स्टोरी बट वेरी ब्यूटीफुली क्राफ्टेड. एंड आई वुड से गाइस, ठीक है, कि जिनको भी ये स्टोरी रिलेट कर पाए, वी ऑल सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम वी ऑल फील ना कि यार फादर्स आर विलन्स, क्यों ऐसा कर रहे हैं पापा. बट वी ऑल रियलाइज कि यार लेटर कि ही हैज बीन ऑलवेज द गार्डिंग एंजल इन आवर लाइफ. द सपोर्टिंग कास्ट हैज आल्सो डन रियली गुड जॉब. सो आई वुड से गाइस, आप लोग ये स्टोरी जाके देखो. इट्स ऑन Amazon प्राइम. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरी, 2 घंटे के अंदर निपट जाएगी. आफ्टर द स्टोरी इज ओवर, you'll really feel कि वाह यार, it gave me a smile, and trust me, it's going to be good. Number 2, Mrs. on Z5. आज भी हमारे देश में ऐसी बहुत सी जगहें हैं जहाँ पे women are not given normal respect. यार forget equality, just basic respect. When a woman marries and goes to her in-laws house, what does she want? I mean love, affection, care, ये चीजें तो basic है ना, but ये भी नहीं मिल पाती. And यही चीज मूवी दर्शाता है. The movie is actually a remake of a very famous movie, The Great Indian Kitchen by Joe Beebe. But that does not mean it's bad. Sanya Malhotra, who plays the role of Richa, who is actually the main character in the movie, she is a trained dancer and choreographer who gets married to a very orthodox boy, although he's a doctor. ठीक है, but she gets married to an orthodox guy who comes from an orthodox family. And by God, the struggle she has to go through is really heartbreaking. It actually, reflects upon our society. एक section of society है जहाँ women still are going through these things, and it is very hard hitting the way the movie has shown this. ठीक है, सानिया मल्होत्रा के फेस पे वो फ्रस्ट्रेशन, that disappointment, that feeling of being caged, वो दिखता है, when she has to go through her in-laws house. She's trying so hard to fit in. वो खुश रहने का ट्राई करती है, but because उसका हस्बैंड हमेशा उसको belittle कर रहा होता है, बात बात पे झगड़ा करना. even उनके सास ससुर यार, like they are always belittling her, humiliating in a very satirical way. This breaks her down mentally and physically यार. She wants love from her husband, but वो भी नहीं मिल रहा होता. And at the end, she actually bursts out. अब वो चीज़ आपको देखने में बहुत satisfying लगेगा because that is one of the peak things in the movie. So I would say यार, we should always watch such movies instead of all this shit happening around on internet. ये मूवी देखो यार, इनको बढ़ावा देना जरूरी है. Good remake should also be supported because at the end of the day, if it's a good movie, it's a good movie. So that's it guys. I want to recommend you these two movies. जाके देखो, बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. इतना कूड़ा देखने के बाद, एक तरफ बैडेस्ट रवि कुमार, एक तरफ ये ऑल दिस शिट हैपनिंग अराउंड इंटरनेट, ये दोनों के बीच में जो पिस रहे हैं ना हम लोग, these movies will help us smile. Let's go and watch this. ठीक है, see you.